Baby, I know it. You're losing patience with me, but baby, don't show it. Ooh, isn't this what you wanted? But you're blowing up my phone, cause I didn't come crying to you. So come on, ask me if it hurts just as much as it did before. And honestly, the third time, the fourth time, now baby, I'm getting bored. You're keeping me awake for the last time. I put my phone in airplane mode tonight. You can waste your breath, I won't waste mine, cause it's the last time. You're keeping me awake. Your feelings win when you could try to control it. Ooh, and I can see that you lost it, but I think you like the drama more than you like the cost of the truth. So come on, ask me, yeah, why it just doesn't hurt like it did before. And honestly, the fifth time, the sixth time, now baby, I'm getting bored. You're keeping me awake for the last time. I put my phone in airplane mode tonight.
Alright, welcome to Vegas. This is Las Vegas. So keep that in mind. These were harsh working conditions here, and many of the safety.
What if you said, oh, they can ride a bike?
Yeah, 80 years old.
That wasn't exactly riding a bike.
A total of 17. Each of these generators is spinning at 180 revolutions per minute, producing 130 megawatts of power. If all 17 of these generators were still operational at once, that would be producing about 2.
You want to go?
And then we'll go up to the observation deck when we're done.
Go inside.
The Phoenix is like over here or something. And then we're going to drive to Utah tomorrow. They work 24 hours a day.
Mount Leahi.
That's Haiku. That was his middle name.
The earliest settlers.
Oh, she go up the Poly, this car.
Grandma said they don't use that in Hawaii. 12 degrees. What'd you say? 112 Celsius. 112 Celsius. What do you
Especially when you see the weather. Maybe right now it looks like no rain on the Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe 40%. So I'm just asking them to swap maybe. Should I do my day 3 on day 1 or day 2 on day 1?
In the glow, showing up today. 'Cause it's hard to let down your garden love when you wanna run away. We could toast to the highs and the lows, how far we've come and how far we've yet to believe. So just stay